Welcome to Getting Started with NativeScript, Section 3, Structuring Your Apps. Making Changes. In this module, we will discuss how to prepare your hardware devices for your application development. We will run our application on emulators for the purpose of this lesson, so you can see the changes easier. We will also make the first customization to our application. First, I'll show you how to enable developer mode on your Android device. Open Settings on your Android device and find About Phone. Tap that to open the About Phone page. Once you are there, find Build Number and press that 7 times. After the first few, a counter will show you your progress. Once you are complete, your phone will let you know that you are now a developer. Now let's do iOS. Simply connect your phone to your Mac, open Xcode, and select the device. It's fairly simple. Remember though, you cannot do any iOS development on Windows, but you can always use your code on Windows to produce an iOS application at a later date. Now, let's run our application. For this, I have 2 terminal tabs open, one for iOS and one for Android. Simply type the commands shown in the last module to run our application. Make sure you're in the right directory. For Android, we type tns run android and then -- bundle. And for iOS, we simply type tns run iOS -- bundle. After a little while, your application will be now open on both devices. Let's make a small change. First, open your code editor that we installed previously and find the Components folder of your application. Here, we will see the Home component. Select that to open it in the code editor. Scroll down to locate the message we see on the screen and change it to whatever you like. Now, save it and minimize the editor to watch your devices update automatically. This is why NativeScript is so great.